Let's learn some colors name. Pink color, brown color, black color, blue color, yellow color, purple color, orange color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. D for dolphin. E for egg. F for flowers. G for glass. H for house. I for iron. J for jam. K for king. L for lollipop. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for question. R for rainbow. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R. Thanks for watching.